May first road to cross here in Canada.
First
First
pedestrian.
pedestrian walk. Thank you to my guide. Oh, I can see the TTC if I'm not mistaken. Lawrence West. First time experiencing the TTC in a bit. Hey, Lawrence West, you will be remembered. First TTC experience. Hey, first time going down the stairs in the TTC. Subways and buses. Respect and dignity. Ontario Human Rights Code. Freedom from harassment and discrimination in employment and services.
Sorry, I can take a picture because
The TTC serves the city of Toronto, which is a multiracial, multicultural, and multilinguistic city. Self-worth and human rights.
Help keep the TTC safe.
Love that.
Report any suspicious
Hey.
activity to a member of staff or a police officer. If you see something, say something.
I see Ira. hindi ko pa alam yung extent ng witty banter I can do. Sa first time immigrant. Ay, Hindi.
Joke lang. Ito,
plant yung tawag na to.
Oh, joke lang.
Cute eh. Bakit? Tapos marami palang pots there.
Binibigyan silang water yung mga plants.
Subways and buses, and now we will do the Presto card. I am torn. Will I help Ira navigate the Presto card or will I keep shooting? I will let Ira do it. So this is assistance intercom. Step disinfect. Okay, so we're just waiting a bit for our turn. Okay, so presto, fares, tariffs. I'm sorry, love. I'll let you do the navigating. I'll do the shooting. One way lang. Please remove presto card.
Go check, buy a new TTC tickets. I think it's
How much yung new? Check natin how much yung new.
$4.
$4 for the new card, no? Okay, cancel. Sakto, walang tao ngayon dahil 12.
Yeah. Thank you.
About tickets.
Bye.
About ticket. Oh, one ride. Ito yung sinasabi nila na all, parang 2 hours only na yan eh.
Oo, hindi pa.
Oo. Parang day pass na yan. So masakit siya yan for us. Hindi, parang kasama na rin yung pabalik eh. Pero parang 2 hours lang yun.
Oo.
Try muna natin yan.
One ride muna.
Try muna natin.
Ah,
What do you think?
Yeah, one ride.
I do not know if this is the most efficient way, but let's see.
Ayan, 2 tickets, one ride.
Yes.
Continue.
This
Tickets can only be used in Lola. Tickets cannot be in Lola. Tickets expire 9 days, full terms. Okay, continue. Cash.
cash. Insert coins or banknotes.
Maximum change provided 19.
Oh no. Okay.
Money.
So we are gonna ask for assistance now.
Okay.
I'm gonna stop shooting first because I don't want to shoot other people.
Yeah.
Bye. Uy, bad ka. Bye. Okay. Sir was very kind and gave us instructions. Unfortunately, this card does not really accept. This machine does not accept $100. So we are gonna try Ira's debit card now. If it's going to work.
I doubt it. So how? What will I do?
Try mong insert there. Follow instructions on the pin pad. Meron dyan?
Wala pa.
Okay. Remove card. Decline. Okay, so we're going to be changing. We're going to be having our $100 bill broken down because unfortunately, cashless na usually here in Toronto, I think. So that's one thing we are going to be working at, getting our bank account online.
Unfortunately.
Yay. So first train scenario rejected. Going up now. Okay, we're gonna have our $100 bill changed. Goodbye.